In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images and video reviews in Judge.me, all within just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce store owner or just getting started, integrating multimedia reviews can really boost the credibility of your products and increase customer engagement. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and type Shopify into the search bar. Once there, locate and click on the link to access your Shopify account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to input your credentials to enter the Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged into your Shopify account, direct your attention to the search bar and type in Judge.me. From the search results, find and click on the Judge.me app, which will bring you to the app's dashboard. The dashboard is your command center for managing how reviews are collected and displayed on your site. Next, focus your attention on the left-hand menu where you'll find a section labeled Settings. Click on this and a list will expand. From here, select Widgets. Widgets are essential because they determine how your reviews are presented to the customer. After navigating to the Widgets section, look for a card labeled Write a Review. On this card, there's an option to Customize. Click on it, and you'll be directed to deeper customization settings. Now scroll down until you find the Submission Flow section. Here's where the magic begins. You'll see an option to Ask for Review Images. Enabling this option lets your customers upload photos alongside their written reviews. These images can provide valuable social proof and authenticity to potential buyers. Right beneath it, there's another feature titled Ask for Review Videos. You'll want to enable this as well to allow customers to upload video reviews. Video reviews can bring an added dimension to product testimonials, offering dynamic and engaging feedback. You might also notice an option to Mute Videos by default, which you can enable if you'd prefer videos to start without sound. Once you're satisfied with these settings, don't forget to click the Save button. This ensures all the adjustments you've made are applied and ready to take effect. But we're not done yet. Let's move on to the steps required for displaying this customer media. Still in the widget settings, locate the Review Widget card and select Customize again. Scroll down to the Photos and Videos section. Here, you will want to enable the option to show recent photos and videos in a grid. This allows viewers of your site to easily navigate and view multimedia content, enhancing their shopping experience. Finally, make sure to click Save once more to lock in all these changes. And there you have it. With just a handful of strategic adjustments, you've empowered your customers to enrich their reviews with images and videos, which in turn builds trust and can significantly enhance the overall appeal of your online store. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.